There are three basic components in negative pressure. Number one is the pressure, how high or how low it should be set. The second one is the wound filler and understanding the difference, pros and cons between the different wound fillers, whether it be black foam, white foam, or AMD cotton gauze. The third component is the mode, about how pressure should be delivered, whether it's continuous or variable. This particular foam has a groove in it which allocates the resting of a drain. Make sure that you have the exit sides of your groove away from the pressure points. So for example, this is a little bit big for this particular demonstration model. So what we'll do is we'll trim on each end. And what you will want to avoid is running the drain down the crease of the buttocks or up over a bony prominence. So in this particular type of wound location, in the sacral area, I would run the drain laterally out over the soft tissue. The perforations on the drain system must be contained within the foam. You don't want the perforations on the outside of the wound filler because the transparency can occlude the perforations, as well as you don't want the perforations next to the skin. So pre-measure your drain with the perforations ending just prior to the exit site. Stoma paste can be used to anchor the edge of the wound, and obviously we're going to take a flat transparency and try and secure the edge of something round. So the stoma paste acts as a good putty or wound filler. And this can be done in several different ways. You can just very simply anchor the stoma paste here. You know, with this you can do chevron, you can get as fancy as you want to get. But the basic thing is twofold. One to anchor the drain and the other was to help reduce your leaks. And at the end of the drain, you do a little bit of a pinch technique. You can hear the alarm going off and it's saying check dressing seal, because you can see we don't have the contraction. But we found out where our source was, right over here at the exit site, which is very common. Sometimes you can audibly hear the air leak, and sometimes you can't. An additional security is the pink tape. You can use the pink tape to create chevrons. Or you can use pink tape to secure your window pane around. If the patient's very active and the transparency rolls, you can secure it with the pink tape, especially in the gluteal folds.